European prices for the entire Samsung Galaxy S21 family leak. The supposed Indian pricing of the whole Galaxy S21 lineup leaked earlier this month, and it concluded that there won't be any major changes compared to the launch prices of this year's Galaxy S20 lineup. However, trustworthy sources say that pricing in Europe will be quite different from before. The good news is that the vanilla S21 and the S21 Plus will be priced lower, while the bad news is that the Ultra will cost extra. The Galaxy 21 will start at $849, the S21 Plus will ask $1,049, and the Ultra will set you back $1,349. That's the pricing for the standard 128GB configurations. In comparison, the S20 series launched at $999, $1,099 and $1,299, respectively. Prices of the upgraded memory configurations have also been revealed. For $50, you get double the storage on all models, while the Ultra's ultimate 512GB iteration asks a hefty $1,529. If this report is correct, we suspect that the earlier Indian pricing leak isn't accurate, because prices rarely change for specific markets only unless caused by change in taxes or currency fluctuations. We'll be on the lookout for more clues before we are certain which one to trust.